Put them in your freezer first. Let them become very cold. Let me show you how to make this long-lasting, creamy, tasty and refreshing tiger nut milk. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious tiger nut milk. So you need your tiger nut, of course, coconut, tiger nuts, dates, peanuts, carrots, and bananas. The carrots, peanuts, and banana are optional, but you can still make use of them. So first of all, you wash all these ingredients and chop them into tiny bits. Then you will transfer every of these ingredients into your fridge or your deep freezer, like I have done so in this video. Make sure they are chilled, very cold, before you transfer them to your blender to blend. This is how your tiger nut milk will last very long. I promise you, if you try this method, you will really enjoy your tiger nut milk. So I have just removed my tiger nut and other ingredients from the deep freezer. You see how chilled it is, and now I'm going to transfer them into my blender to blend. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Please do not forget to like this video by clicking on the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to this channel if you've gained any value from this video. Thank you so much. And to all my subscribers, you're blessed. Thank you so much for always coming back to my channel to watch my videos.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right.
After adding the tiger nuts and other ingredients into the blender, make sure you add a little amount of water so that the blender can blend everything properly and also bring out the juice of every ingredient. Putting your tiger nut and other ingredients into the fridge or deep freezer especially is the best solution for making your tiger nut milk to last long. Because if you decide to blend the tiger nut and get out the juice, then start adding ice cubes to the tiger nut milk, that ice cubes that you added to the tiger nut milk will only make the tiger nut milk to be diluted, and the taste will be different or change entirely. So I prefer using this method, putting all my tiger nuts and other ingredients in the deep freezer so that they will get very cold before I blend them. And as I'm squeezing out the tiger nut milk, it is very chilled in my palms.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you.
So this is that tasty, creamy, refreshing and delicious tiger nut milk I said I was going to make. It was so good. I couldn't even remove my hands from it. I kept on drinking. Anytime I place it down, I'll pick it up again and drink. It was so good. So anytime you want to make tiger nut milk, make sure you dice your ingredients into smaller bits and take them into your deep freezer so that they will get very cold before you blend them. And in doing so, you will enjoy your tiger nut milk and it will last long in your fridge. This lasted me for about 5 days before we finished it. So I want to thank you all for watching this video, and until I come your way, enjoy your tiger nut milk and remain blessed. Bye.